Hello and welcome back to another tutorial on TGR training section. Now for every newly registered account on TGR platform, you probably don't have any funds in your account. So in this next video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from your bank account into your TGR e-wallet. So come with me. Now the first step is click on the profile tab under the menu. Click on this profile and it opens up your profile information on TGR account. Okay. Now there are two things I want to call your attention to. The first is your referral link in this red box. This is the link you use in inviting others, your friends and family, to TGR. It is customized with your username at the end right here from the previous example, James Chris, and every other information will take them to TGR registration page. Okay, so if you want to invite anyone to TGR, just copy this whole link and send to them. Okay, so that's the first thing. The next I want to call your attention to is your Providus account. There are two accounts through which you can use in funding this your TGR account. We have the Providus account and also the Sterling Bank account. This is your Sterling Bank account right here. All you have to do is just make a transfer into this bank account. But right now, for every new account, you don't yet have a Providus bank account. So what you have to do now is to click on this blue button to get your own Providus bank account. Okay, just click on this blue button to open your Providus account. Now Providus will require you to enter your BVN. Okay, now most people get skeptical about giving out their BVN, but it's not an issue at all, because while you're opening a new account, all you have to supply is BVN. Your BVN contains every information that the bank needs in opening a bank account for you. Okay, nobody can take money from your bank with your BVN, so be rest assured that your information is safe. Okay, so just put in your BVN for Providus to be able to get the information they need in opening a Providus account for you. So once you enter your BVN number here, just click on the blue button to proceed to the next step. And then once you do that, you'll get a successful information that your activation has been successful, your account creation was successful. This means you now have a bank account with Providus Bank. That's all it means. The bank account comes with your name and every information, just like you're opening any other bank account. Okay, so that's just the process. Now you have your Providus bank account reflecting along with your Sterling bank account. You can send your funds to any of these bank accounts, but I recommend using Providus because it's swift and most times very successful. Okay, so just transfer the amount you want to fund into your wallet, transfer it to this Providus bank account. Okay, through your maybe your USD platform or your bank's mobile app. It will show you the name of your account and also this bank account. Okay, and one more thing I'd like to call your attention to is there's a charge of 45 naira when you're making this transfer. Providus will charge you 45 naira. It's a fixed amount. Okay, it's a one-time amount. So while you're sending your funds, make sure you include that 45 naira. So if you want to send maybe 5,000, you send 5,045 naira so that Providus can take their own charge while you have your 5,000 transferred into your wallet, and it's instant. Once the transaction is successful, it will reflect in your dashboard as part of your e-wallet on TGR platform. So thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video.